Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to discuss about when in Kotlin. When means switch cases. So in Java we use switch, but in Kotlin we are using the when condition. What I am doing to here, I am going to print the weekdays. I am taking one variable weekdays is equal to 4 first. So I am using here when weekdays, putting condition week, opening semicolons, then here 1, like that you need to write the conditions. 1 means you need to print Monday. 2 means print Tuesday. 3 means print Wednesday. 4 print Thursday. 5 print Friday. 6 print Saturday, and 7 print Sunday. And here one more condition we need to use, else. If the value is not getting match, then we are going to print this condition. So we need to use this flat arrow. These are incorrect. Okay, let me run this program. Here I have used a day 1. My condition is day 1, so it need to print Monday. Let's run and check. So it's Monday. Now if I am going to change 4th, Thursday, 4 Thursday. If I am going to use 99, then let me see which condition it will print. Days are incorrect. And we can see some more example related to this when condition. So let me delete this, and we are going to create another program. In that we are going to see. So here I am going to print some number. So I am taking val number is equal to 5. Okay, and I am one more taking val my number is equal to. I am using when condition here. Same we have used in if else condition. So same thing we are using by using number. Open say curly braces, and here we are going to use condition, then flat arrow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then else. and now I'm going to print the number, my number. 5. Let me use 3. It printed 3, and if I'm not matching. In Kotlin, we have one more thing, like you can put 2-3 conditions in one when. Suppose you wanted to 2, 3. So if the number will be 2, 1, 2 or 4, it will print 1. Let me 1. Sorry, 2. I'll 2. This will also get true. This one also. So here already I have used. So it's giving me some yellow color because we have already used the condition. Why we are using here? So we can remove this from here. And you can use minus also. -3. Minus number 0. So it will tell number is 1 to 4. 2, 4. Minus 1, 2, 3. 3. Like that also we can run. 1 to 4. And one more condition we can use here, range. I am going to teach that in next tutorial. So range means in Kotlin we having range. We are not, suppose you wanted to print 1 to 100. So what we can do, 1 to 100. Like that condition we can use here. But before that I need to use in. And if you want to here in 2 to 20, you can use this condition 1 to 100. To 20. So like that also you can use. So this condition will get 2 to 20. 100. Okay, so this is coming here only. After 1, 2 to 100. So 100, this condition is getting true. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.